What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Fix It's Garage. Today we're going to be putting on the docking hardware for a rear sissy bar on a 2020 Lowrider S. First you want to do is take off these two bolts right here. I'm going to do one at a time. This is a T45. In the front, they say the bigger one goes in the back and the smaller one goes in the front, but I'm gonna say the wider one goes in the front side and the narrow one goes in the rear. The narrow one has some rubber on it, the front one's plastic. I'm using the bolts that came with it as well. It's a 5/16 Allen key, or Allen head, whatever you want to call it. It also says to put Loctite on it. I don't have any, so I'm going to do that later. I already did the other side. And I also don't have a torque wrench, so I'm just going to tighten it best of my ability for right now. And then you're going to do the same on the back side. Again, I'm using the bolts that came with it. And then after that, that should be it. And that is how you put on the rear sissy bar on a 2020 Lowrider S. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like the channel.